Khichadi is a simple stew of rice and split moong beans which is easy to digest and stimulating to the digestive fire. Soak the split moong beans for at least 1 hour before cooking. Heat ghee or olive oil in a pan and add cumin or coriander seeds. Then add some finely chopped onion, root ginger and garlic and saute until golden brown. Stir in 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon asafetida, some black pepper and a few bay leaves. Take a cup and fill half with moong and the remaining half with white basmati rice. One can also add any chopped vegetables that you have such as carrots, pumpkin, green beans, courgettes, asparagus. Add the beans into the pan with min. 4 cups of water, more if you have added vegetables. In a normal pan you will need to cook it for about 30 minutes. Adding more water is necessary, whereas in a pressure cooker it will cook within about 5 minutes after coming to pressure. When it's ready, i.e. the beans have become completely soft, add a little salt and serve the dish with ghee and freshly chopped herbs. Experiment with different vegetables and spices to create different flavors.